In this video, we will continue Chapter 4, Service Pack 4, by looking at Google Docs. Now, Google Docs is awesome. It is awesome. Open up your web browser, and Google Docs requires you to have a Google account. So we're going to go ahead and sign in. We can go ahead and put our password and username and so forth. Now, once you are logged into your account, go ahead and if you don't see Docs, go ahead and go to More and click Documents. It should take you directly to Google Docs, and you'll have all of your items listed here. I just absolutely love Google Docs. It is pretty much this. It is an online office suite that's free and has been developed by Google. And you get applications, document, presentation, spreadsheet, form. You can create new folders and so forth. You may also upload content as well. And if you choose to upload, you can see all the information, such as the size limit of the document, which type of files that can be uploaded, such as HTML files and plain text can be uploaded. Microsoft Word, Doc, and DocX formats can be uploaded. Rich text, RTF. The Open Document Text, or ODT, in StarOffice, SXW. You can also upload presentations like PowerPoint, spreadsheet, PDF, which we looked at in the last video. You're going to upload all kinds of formats. So we go back. We see here I have one item here listed in my resume. Google Docs is so convenient. If you have a lot of Word documents or just a lot of text documents or presentations that you want to use on a different computer, go ahead and upload it to Google Docs. It'll be here. It's on your account. No one can view it. And from any computer, you can go ahead and download the content. And here we have this document, which is part of my resume. And we can go ahead and edit any part of the document that we want. Let's say we want to create a new document, such as a new text document. We can go ahead and click New, and it'll bring us this nice interface here, which is very similar to that of a word processor. You can go ahead and title it. You can go ahead and start typing here. You can tab. And so forth. You see it has spell check. So if we just type any kind of stuff, we have this nice underline, this red underline symbolizing that there's nothing it can understand, and that you might want to check it. And you have some options here. Let's take a look at these options. Once you're in the interface, you can go ahead and create a new document, spreadsheet, presentation, or from a template. You can save as, rename the document, revise history, delete. You can even download as an HTML open office document, PDF, RTF, text, or Word document. You can print if you have print previews. As you can see, this is very advanced, very similar to that of a word processor. You can view as a web page. You can edit. All of these options you should be very familiar with. And you can also insert images, links, tables, format, all kinds of options here. Tools, spell checking. You have lots of fonts here. You can choose from text size and bold, italic underline, and you can change the font color. So if we wanted this to be maybe blue or red, symbolizing Microsoft 64-bit, we can make that red. Link, you have some formatting alignment tools here. And when you're done with your document, go ahead and save it. It'll automatically save and it'll be listed here. And over here on this left panel, you have all of the documents categorized, hidden, stars, and so forth. Searches, folders, you can create new folders. Items by type. And so you have all kinds of things. Now, with this document here, what if we wanted, we can go ahead and export. But what if we wanted to download the document? Simply select it as I just did. Right click, and as you can see, we have a right clicking menu, this dialog pop-up box. If we say export, I might want to export in a PDF. You can go ahead and download the file. And we have it here for our usage. And if we open it up, we'd see it come up in our Adobe Reader sometime, I hope. So you get the idea that this is very convenient, and if you have lots of documents, uploading it to Google Docs is very nice. Let's take a look at presentation. And we have presentation here. Wait, no, that's not presentation. This is presentation. That was my resume. Close that. And this is presentation by Google Docs. You see, very familiar to that of Keynote or PowerPoint. You have here your slides. You can go ahead and change and format all kinds of options. You can change the theme here if you want. You have a nice template of themes here. Ooh, I like that one. And so you have so many nice options here. Let's go ahead, and we want to exit this. So let's go back, and we can also create a nice spreadsheet. And this is spreadsheet. See here, it works just like if you're familiar with Excel. It automatically does the summing for you and so forth. And you have all these spreadsheet type options. So Google Docs is very, very, very useful. And if you haven't gotten into the habit of using documents online over the internet, or uploading your documents over the internet, I think it would be a good idea, especially if you like to work on them when you're at work or at school. You don't have access to your main system or workstation. Go ahead and upload it to Google Docs, and you should be able to edit it. Go ahead and upload some of your Word documents, some of your presentation documents, your Excel documents, PDF, RTF, plain text, or HTML documents. All can be viewed, downloaded, uploaded to Google Docs. And so that's it for this video. We just want to take a nice look at Google Docs.